What is up, guys? It is JBM Elite here today, and I just wanted to start my channel off by opening up some packs. So let's get started. Just gonna open up a few pro packs, see if I get anything good. Yeah, I have a feeling these are gonna be trash. Trash. Oh, that was actually good. We got a campus player there, so I made my money back. Trash. Come on, let's see. Trash. Come on, baby. Trash. Alright. One more pack. Trash. So let's just open up this gold NFL Movers pack. See what we get. Derek Shelby, alright. Not too shabby. Let's do the final edition upgrade pack now. Okay, Zach Streif. Not too shabby. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. See ya.